Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber of mine, thank you for coming back. This is just a quick fun video kind of showing the my vanity setup. I really enjoy putting this vanity together. I was gonna get one of the Alex table setups from IKEA, but I really did not want to spend that much just for like a makeup table. So what I did, I just decided to kind of look up YouTube videos where you can pretty much have almost the same thing as the Alex tables or whatever that you get from IKEA without breaking the bank. So I'm going to get a little bit closer just so we can kind of go through everything. Alright, so right here, these two drawers I got from Michaels, and they were 40% off at the time that I got them. And with Michaels, like, they always have a sale. Like, that 40% off coupon is always available, always online. I don't remember the name of these drawers, but I will put it down in the description box. So I got these two from Michaels, and the countertop or the tabletop, I got that from Home Depot. No, Lowe's. I got that from Lowe's, and I didn't have to cut it to size or anything like that. They have different lengths and different widths and, you know, all that good stuff. So I just thought the size was perfect for this little corner right here. And, you know, it's up to you how long or how wide you want. Well, how wide is going to depend on the width of the drawers. But the length of the table, you can make it as long as you want, you know, because all you have to do is just separate the drawers to fit the length. But yeah, I don't remember the measurements of these drawers. But, you know, like I said, I will put the name of them in the description box, so that way if you want to go on Michaels and check it out, you can go ahead and do that. I think for both of these, I probably paid about $48, close to $50 for both of them. So yeah, that was a good deal. And my stool right here, my first stool I've had for a while, as you can see, it's kind of dirty from all the makeup stain, foundation stain, and all that stuff from my hands. So this was $36 from Ross. And it just it has a height adjustment, so it can go up and down to different heights. And alright, moving on. Right in this area right here, I have a ton of brushes. I am actually in the middle of washing my makeup brushes prior to doing this video. So I do have a ton of makeup brushes. Let me get close. And my favorite brand of makeup brushes, BH Cosmetics. I love BH Cosmetics makeup brushes. And e.l.f. So my three favorite for makeup, affordable makeup brushes would be BH Cosmetics, e.l.f. Cosmetics, and Coastal Scents. So a lot of my makeup brushes that I own are from those three companies. Usually when all my brushes are washed and clean, like all of this right here is completely filled up with brushes. And this little pen holder thing, this is a pen holder, but I actually use it to separate my everyday brushes that I reach for really often. So I will separate my eyebrow brushes, lip brushes, foundation brushes, eyeshadow brushes. I put it all in here. And then, you know, this thing kind of just swivels around, and yeah. So it's like easy access for that. And then moving on right here, let me get my camera to focus. As you can see, I have a ton of Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. Juvia's Place, seriously, like, is just has amazing eyeshadow palettes. I think I own about 10 or 11 of the eyeshadow palettes, and I probably will be getting more in the future, but for now, these are definitely like my favorite. And this thing right here, this black stand that's holding my eyeshadow palettes, it's actually not meant for eyeshadows. This is to hold pots. It's like a divider to hold pots that I got from Marshall's, but I decided to use it as a eyeshadow palette holder. And this little jar right here, it was an edible arrangement basket that my fiance got me. And after I ate up all the fruits and stuff like that, I didn't want to throw this away. So I just used it to hold just some extra makeup brushes. And this organizer right here is also from Marshall's. This has my mascara, my dirty beauty sponges I keep right here on the bottom. and just, you know, just some extra stuff that I reach for very often. And then this, I think I got from Ross. So this has just, you know, a few eyeliner pencils, eyebrow pencils, and stuff like that. And then I have my lippy sticks from Colourpop right here, and my lip pencils from Colourpop as well. That's right there. All right, and then moving on, this mirror right here, I got this. I'm trying not to show myself, but there I am. I got this from Amazon. I am not sure how much it was, but I will put it down in the description box. And it comes with 2 light settings. Let me go ahead and turn it on. So it comes with that light right there, that setting, and the one that I usually use is this one, the bright daylight type light setting. So that's the one that I usually use. And then over here I got this organizer from Etsy. I think it was $60 or $65, and this holds a ton of stuff, like a whole bunch of stuff. I got this turntable from Amazon because this thing was so heavy. Like, I had it sitting on this counter, and on the opposite side you can put different stuff as well. And every time I wanted to get items from the opposite side, I always had to like pick it up and turn it around, and it's just so heavy. So I went on Amazon and I searched for turntable. So I got this turntable right here, so that way it's easy for me to completely turn it all the way around, so I can get to my products that are on the opposite side of the organizer. So I just have like my everyday lipsticks, lip glosses, and, you know, different collections of certain things right here. And then on the top I have my setting sprays from Morphe, Gerard Cosmetics, Elf. I just ran out of my MAC Fix Plus, but that's usually up here as well. And then right here I just have everyday things that I reach for, like my eyebrow gel, liquid liner, glue for my lashes, my fan. When I spray my setting spray, I use my fan to make sure it's completely set. My face primers, just different things on the top right there. Alright, let me make sure I'm not in the light. Alright, moving on to this right here, this organizer. I got this. Waiting for my camera to focus, guys. Alright, let me make sure. There we go. This organizer I got from Amazon, and it holds, I want to say 76. I think it's 76 lip gloss or lipsticks. What I did, I actually had to glue popsicle sticks inside of the compartments, because my lipsticks kept falling out because the compartments are so short that, you know, my lipsticks were hanging over, and every time I would spin this thing around, they will all just fall out. So I just decided to glue some popsicle sticks inside of each compartment, so that way it will completely hold my liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, without them falling out when I turn it. And then moving on, right here, these labels right here, I got these from Etsy as well. So I went on the website and I searched for different labels, and you can actually type up what you want your labels to say. So, you know, like I have a drawer for foundation, my brow products, my concealers, powders, bronzers, highlighters, etc. So same thing on the opposite side right here. I have my primer, just different tools, setting spray, eyeshadow palettes, you know, just, you know, different things right there. Because before, it was so hard for me to try to figure out what items I had in each drawer. I was like, okay, I need to think of something that would make this easier to identify and see what's in each drawer. And, you know, so I went on Etsy and I got these stickers made, and I think I paid about $23 for the entire set. Yeah. So I am going to show you what's in each drawer. I mean, it's pretty much from the labels. You can kind of tell what's going to be in each drawer. Right here, this first one, I'm trying to get my camera to focus, guys. It's a really heavy camera. I'm using the Canon T6i, so it's really heavy for me to try to hold it with one hand and record at the same time. But in this first one, I have just different things like my primer, my tweezers, my little okay guys, so my camera stopped recording because my memory card was full. So back to what I was saying. In the first drawer, I just have different things. It looks a little bit messy in here, but yeah, just a whole bunch of different random items are in here. And then moving on to this drawer, just extra eyeshadow palettes and eyelashes. My favorite drawer is definitely my last drawer right here. A lot of my eyelashes I purchased from AliExpress. These are the 3D mink eyelashes. So these are like unused ones that I have on the side. Since I have so many right here, it was hard for me to see which styles I had or which ones I wanted to use. So I went on Amazon and I got the Slash book right here. I think it holds maybe 20 eyelashes, 20 pairs of lashes. So I went on Amazon and I purchased the Slash book, and then I just went ahead and picked out a few designs from right here, and I just put them in my lash book so that way it's easy for me to see which lashes I wanted to use. So that's that, and then just some extra lashes and stuff like that right here. And then on the bottom right here, these are just like backup makeup brushes that I don't really use, but it's just nice to have them as extras. And I also have extra brushes right here. So even though it says lipsticks and glosses, I don't have any lipsticks and glosses in here. I just have like backup, a whole bunch of backup extra brushes. A lot of these I got from Coastal Scents when they had the Black Friday sale. So I just decided to stock up on my favorite blending brush right here. You get the camera to focus. So blending brush right there, like extra makeup remover. And then moving on to my highlight and blushes. So this is my highlight and blushes drawer right here. Get my camera to focus again. And these organizers I purchased from Amazon. So I have 3 of them, and it just holds different blushes that I have from Coastal Scents. My favorite highlighter, Gold Deposit from MAC. I keep that very close to me right there. A few highlighters from Becca Cosmetics, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Lorac Cosmetics. This is Bay right here, this Tantalizer. Oh my god, this is so pretty on. And then this one, Bronze Glow. I remember when this came out, everybody was just in love with this Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow. So right there. And then this drawer, concealers and brow products. So right here, I'll get close. I have my favorite concealers that I use, my LA Girl Pro concealers right there. I love the ColourPop concealers, Juvia's Place, my MAC concealer right there. My MAC concealer palette is kept right there. My foundation drawer right here. So I keep just a few foundations right here in this plastic divider from Amazon. So I have NARS, Too Faced, MAC, Maybelline, Juvia's Place, ColourPop. So yeah, but that is pretty much it. This looks really nice and neat right now, but usually I'm telling you, this vanity area gets really messy. But thank you guys so much for sticking with me for this quick fun video. Let me put the light on. There we go. So now we can kind of get a better look of my vanity area, my vanity setup. I will see you guys in my next video.